When we talk about absolute value, I think of it as a positive purifier. Whatever is in there comes out positive. So these are the absolute value bars. You can also think about absolute value as measuring the distance of a value from 0. And remember, distance is always positive. So absolute value of 11 is the distance from 11 to 0, which is 11. The absolute value of 11 is indeed 11. The other way to think about it is, hey, it's the positive version of this number. Since 11 is already positive, absolute value of 11 is positive 11. Absolute value of 10, negative 10, well, it's a positive purifier. What comes out is positive 10, and there we go. So our two answers are 11 and 10. Now let's talk about these two. Again, we have absolute value of 10. Absolute value of a positive number is just the number itself. Absolute value of that negative 9 is positive 9. And this one is going to be positive 12, and of course, just 8, positive 8.